Okay. Good evening. How are you?
Very good evening to you. How are you? Thank you for asking. I'm fine. Yeah. What about
Okay.
you?
Yeah, I am fit as a fiddle. Thanks for asking.
Okay. So since very long time we are connecting. We were trying very long time. This time we got the chance. Okay. So tell me about yourself. How is your practice going on in these days?
Okay. Yeah, my practice is going on fantastic, I can say, because I'm learning this language. So yeah, I have to put efforts as much as I can.
Yeah. Yeah. I can see that earlier you was not able to speak, but this time your English is good.
So
Yeah.
that you appreciate me.
Okay, so today what you want to discuss? If you have any topic, so you can suggest.
I don't have any topic. Do you have? So you can suggest.
I have also no topics. Let's play rapid fire round, okay?
Okay. Yeah, of course. Go ahead.
Okay. So you want to start or I can?
You can start.
All right.
What is you are teaching something English?
Yes. Because I start my own tuition classes, offline tuition classes at home. So this time, I'm very busy in these days. New
And so
batch I started.
yes. Okay, so thank you for that. You are, give me precious time. Okay,
Yeah,
thank God.
yeah. So I'm asking to you like वह जाता है
Okay, he goes.
मैं गया
I went.
मैं जाऊंगा
I will go.
ओके मैं जा रही हूँ
I am going.
मैं जा रही थी
I was going.
मैं जा रही होंगी
I will be going.
या एंड मैं जा चुका हूँ
I have gone.
मैं जा चुकी थी
I had gone.
या वह जा चुका होगा
Okay, so he will have gone.
एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज मैं 2 बजे से जा रही थी
Okay, yeah, I had been going for two time for two time for
4 बजे
okay
मैं 4 बजे से जा रही थी
okay for
I have been, sorry, I had been going since 4 o'clock. Since,
forgot. Okay, I had been going since 4 o'clock. Sorry.
yeah, right. Okay, so मैं 2 बजे से पढ़ रही हूँ.
Okay, I have been studying uh, since 2 hours. No, for 2 hours.
Yes, right. Okay. राधा, राधा मंडे से बीमार रही होगी.
तो Monday से बीमार Radha will have been ill for since Monday.
Yes, right. You did well, and you have good command of all the tenses. Yes. Okay, so now another one is play. We take play and we make all both sentences, all the tenses. Okay, play.
Okay.
मैं खेलती हूँ.
Okay, I play.
Okay, मैं खेल रही हूँ.
I am playing.
मैं खेल रही थी.
I was playing.
मैं खेल रही होंगी.
I will be playing.
मैं मैं खेल रही थी.
I was playing.
मैं 2 बजे से खेल रही हूँ.
Yeah, I have been playing for 2 hours.
Yeah, right. Okay. मैं खेल चुकी थी.
Yeah, I had played.
Yeah, right. And next one is मैं 2 बजे तक खेल रही होंगी.
Okay.
2 बजे तक खेल रही होंगी.
I will have been playing uh, since 2 o'clock till.
Yes, good. Yes, yes. Okay, so if you want to try with me, so you can. Otherwise, I can ask more. Okay.
Yeah, you can ask me more because you have a knowledge of that is why I am asking to you.
I'm also struggling. I'm also, learning this language. So, okay, I'm asking again. Another one is, study. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. मैं पढ़ती हूँ.
Study.
Okay. वह पढ़ा.
He studied.
राधा पढ़ेगी.
Radha will study.
um, राम पढ़ रहा है.
Ram is studying.
सीता पढ़ रही थी.
Sita was studying.
नेक्स्ट वन इज वे पढ़ रहे होंगे. वह पढ़ रहे होंगे.
They will be studying.
यस राइट. ओके. सो हाँ, हम हम पढ़ते हैं.
Okay. We study.
हम पढ़ चुके थे.
We had studied.
हम पढ़ चुके होंगे.
We have okay हम पढ़ चुके होंगे तो we will have study.
ये हम